Beach, a historical neighborhood. The place is located close to all the historical attractions but in a quiet side of the river. It is very easy to visit Wat Arun, the Grand Palace, Wat Po, Flower Market, Khao San Road from this place. I recommend to get to the river and take the boat taxis. Nice room with kitchen set up with kitchen facility, very clean room, good for family, near many shops. Would stay again. The staff were so lovely and helpful. Nice peaceful area and tourist attractions close by. You can borrow their bikes free of charge to explore the city. We'll come back again for sure. The room is very comfortable and for the hotel is near BTS, SkyTrain. Exceptional. The best option for the price, impossible to express how stuff is friendly. Hotel is new, and good. Good location.